hands toward your hips while rising onto your toes. Heel raises strengthen your calves and ankles for more secure steps. Pulling your arms back opens your chest and reduces forward slouching. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 14, cross arm swing. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand tall with both arms extended to your sides. Swing both arms forward and cross them in front of your chest. Wide arm swings loosen your shoulders and upper back. Standing tall reinforces body alignment without placing pressure on your knees. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 15.